Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is what is the next move of your partner towards you in your love life. So again let me show you the options. So first option we have simply this drink, right? And the second option you have these grapes. So choose any one option. So let me start with the first option. So let's check out for my beautiful viewers, whoever choose pile number 1, next move of your partner. Next move of your partner. Eight of Wands. Your partner do want to communicate with you. If there is a lack of communication or separation, they do want to text you, they do want to come towards you. Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and two of Temperance card. That is again looking like a two cups here, that is hidden behind the Two of Pentacles. So again Two of Wands. See, your partner is confused. Let me describe first all the cards that I already taken. So let me start with these cards. That is like Two of Pentacle, Two of Wands. There is some sort of a crossroads in your partner's life. They, or maybe this is simply they are juggling between something. Your partner is like confused. Do I choose this direction or not? They are confused about something, right? They confused that if they communicate with you or not. Do they travel towards you or not? Do they send you some sort of a signal or not? So that is like a question for your partner. So that's why they don't know what to do. They are juggling. There is some sort of a same cycle going on in your connection, on and off kind of a connection, and this person have to choose the one direction. But before choosing one direction, or maybe they already, for some they already choose their direction because this person is like already choose their band, and for some they are still juggling with the situation to make a particular move that they want to take. They are confused, confusing energy. Temperance. They try to balance their emotions, they try to patiently waiting for the right time. This person is very patient, they are not in a hurry to make any sort of a decision. So this person is taking their time, patiently dealing with the situation. First, this person do want to handle or balance their emotions. So their total focus is like to be emotionally balanced. And their next step, maybe this person do communicate with you about all these things, that all these confusion that this person is going through. This person do want to talk with you about all the scenario, and behind the scene this person have a lot of love and emotions for you. They do want to nurture this connection. This person have a lot of unconditional love for you, nurturing kind of a very kind person, very loving person. This your partner is very loving. This person loves you a lot, no doubt in that thing. But they do want to communicate about thing about that they are confused about, and they do offer you their emotions. Their next step is like they are offer you, but slow. This is like they are not instantly taking any action towards you, because this is like Knight of Cup. This person slowly moving towards you with their emotional cup. They offer you something emotional, right? Bottom of the deck, Two of Cups. See, this person definitely next their step is like they do want to exchange their love and emotions with you. This person know that you are their soulmate. They do want to exchange their love with you. This is their next step. They do want to communicate about these things, and they also tell you what are the confusing period that they are going through, what they are juggling about. So definitely some sort of a communication coming your way. So let me see how they feel towards you. Let me take two cards, how they feel towards you. Okay. So we have a King of Cups, we have a Knight of Wands, we have a Four of Cups, lots of cards. Let me take all for you. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, lot of Pentacles. This person have a lot of love for you. King and Queen kind of energy. See, you both are like a perfect match. You both mirroring each other in this connection. This is like a perfect match. This person holding back their emotions in the past, but now this person may do communicate about their feelings in upcoming days. This person have a lot of passion for you. They just want to rush towards you because they have a lot of passion. When they are thinking from their passionate side, they just want to rush over the situation. But when they emotionally thinking, they do want to take a small steps towards you to make something serious and solid. Four of Cups, they total focus upon something other. Maybe they are not taking your offer in the past. Their focus is like on something else, and that something else is like their pentacles. They're too much focused upon their financial gains. They are working hard for their pentacles because they want financial stability in their life. Before offer you something serious, this person also want to stable in their financial area. And the next card is Queen of Pentacles. So this is like a perfect husband wife kind of a material. They see you as a perfect partner, and at the same time this person also want to become a perfect as you. For you, they want to be a perfect partner also by gaining some sort of a financial stability in their life. So this is their feelings that they do want to rush towards you, as they have a lot of passion for you, but first they do want to be financially stable. So let's see their current energy, what they are doing in their life, right? Let me take two or three cards, what they are doing in their life. So let's see what we have. Multitasking, focus on multiple things all around, take care. So this person handling a lot of things currently in their life. They are doing multiple things, multitasking, so that they gain some sort of a financial security. Next card we have hoping for the best, waiting period. This person definitely waiting for the right time. They are still hoping for the best, and they are waiting for the right time when they are financially stable. Another card, not a right time, things not moving into your favor, patience. See, this is not a right time, so that's why this person waiting patiently, right? Again same thing. Last message, hidden emotions overwhelming. So this person have a lot of love and emotions for you, but they are not good enough in expressing their emotions, right? So this is their energy. At the last we take one song for my beautiful pile number one. So let's see what song you have. My heart will go on. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That how I know go on. My heart will go on. This is the song for my beautiful viewers. If you do like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. So let's move on to pile number two. So let me wrap it up. Okay. So for pile number two. So if you choose pile number two, grapes. So let's your turn. You are still thinking about your ex, right? Or maybe your ex still thinking about you. So take it how it resonates, but definitely someone from the past. Do think about you. Or maybe you are also choosing this pile for your ex, right? So let's see next move of your person, pile 2, whoever you are thinking about. So let's see their next move towards you. Oh my god, are you kidding me? You definitely choose the pile for someone from your past with whom you are not in contact with, or this is a past person simply. I shuffle a lot. Literally, this card is like popping it up again. Okay, so let's see their next move. Someone from your past do want to reconcile with you. They want a second chance. Someone, whoever in your mind, strongly want a second chance with you. So let's see next move of your partner. Communication. This past person do want to communicate with you. They really want a communication with you. So let's see next move of your partner. Next move of your partner towards my beautiful pile number 2. 2 of cups. This is your soulmate. Whoever in your mind, this is your soulmate, this is from your past. They do want to communicate with you, they do want to share their love of cup with you. So they do communicate about sharing their love with you. Next move of your partner, pile number 2. Next move of your partner, strength card. If in the past this person don't have enough strength, sorry, if in the past this person don't have enough strength to communicate with you, right now this person gaining their courage back, strength back. This person have enough strength to communicate with you again. Now they are getting the courage. Finally they are getting the courage. So justice. If this person do anything wrong with you in the past, this is the time for the right moment. They do want to make things right with you in this connection, so they just want to do the right thing. They are getting their courage. Now they are overcoming their fears to communicate with you, right? So let's see two more cards. Next move of your partner. Lots of cards, so that's why I'm not taking that much, only two cards. Next move. But if this person again communicate with you, then there is a chances of arguments between both of you. Maybe you or this partner, one person still have anger issues, and that is the reason for again a verbal fight, right? So this is like a again some sort of a conflicts, chances of conflicts in their next move. Maybe they do argue about something with you again. So conflicts, or maybe this is internal mind conflicts in their mind, to still if they do communicate with you or not, that is still conflicting in their mind, in their thoughts, because they are not communicating with you for sure. You both are not communicating. This person is not talking with you. They are going into their spiritual journey. So this person is like do want to enlighten about something. They are taking their self time in the past. This person now want to come out, but they are still thinking that if I do that or not, or maybe if they do communicate, then still again you both end up with the arguments. One last card. Next move of your partner, last card. Lose lose situation. Five of wands, five of swords, again and again representing the one thing in your connection. No matter if you both communicate again, no matter if this person communicate with you again, you both end up with a lot of arguments, and again this person feel lose lose situation. No win, no lose. So lose lose situation, again you both end up with this kind of a situation when you both again find end up with the arguments. So let's talk about their feelings. Let's see how they feel towards you, how your person feel towards you. King of Swords. Again, they do want to communicate with you straightforward about the things. They do want to clear about something. Little bit anger issues this person do have. So be careful with your verbal side, or maybe they have to take care with their words that they are using during communication. Knight of Pentacle. They are coming towards you very slowly. This is like a very slow kind of energy. Very slowly they are coming towards you with some sort of a offer, but slowly. Their emotions towards you, I'm not taking that much, right? Your partners love emotions towards you, how they feel towards you. They still want to fight for this connection, no matter how much difficulties you both are going through, but in their heart they do want to fight for this connection. I'm not taking because I'm not ready. That is just flip out. So let's see. But that is like a five of pentacle. Maybe they feel left out in the cold, or maybe they left you. So that is the energy of that cards. But let me take another cards now. Yes, these are the cards. Knight of Wands and the Fool card. This person have a lot of passion for you. They do want to rush towards you because this person feeling a lot of inner burning passion that this person have for you. They do want to take a risk with you. Again, they do want to take a leap of faith. They do want to take a risk again with you in this connection. So this person feel a lot of passion towards you. Lust, passion, right? Attraction. They're ready to take risk some sort of a with you. They do want to fight for this connection. This is like their feelings when they do communicate with you straightforward, how they feel. May they use uh, sharp words, but they do want to come towards you with some sort of offer, but they are literally taking small steps. They do want to fight for this connection. They are taking a leap of faith, taking a risk in this connection again. Lot of passion, right? So this is like their feeling. So let me take what's going on in their life. So let's see what's going on in this person's life currently. New soulmate, new ideas, new beginning starting. This is not a new soulmate for sure. So they just simply want a new beginning with you. This person definitely want a second chance and the new beginning with you. Healing time period, self growth. So this person healing their issues, if they have some sort of a anger issues or something. So this person healing their inner issues. They are working upon their inner work, soul work, and self growth. So they are totally working upon their self growth. Another card, struggling with external internal issues. Definitely this person have a lot of issues to heal. So they are dealing with their internal external issues and they are try to manage. Maybe their surroundings are also not that much happening. So they try to balance, they try to heal all the issues. Dark and the light, balanced midway. So this person just tried to balance their dark side, their light side. They try to find out the balance within them midway, so that they meet you midway. So at the last, we take one song for my beautiful viewers, one song for pile number 2. Okay, let's see song for pile number In Your Eyes. This is the song for you, In Your Eyes. And 11 number written down on this paper, so maybe that is also, again, there is a chances of twin flame energy with this person or strong soulmate connection, right? So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.